¡Ay, caramba!
Ladies and gentlemen, the countdown has just begun. Are you ready?
Damn, son.
Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. In this episode I bring you guys a unbox of these Tomei adjustable cam gears and a little bit of talking about why you need to use in your engine build some sort of adjustable cam gears. As you know, this company is really well known, and these adjustable cam gears are made in aluminum and metal. The best thing about this is this brand makes the adjustable cam gears with 6 bolts instead of 3 or 4 like other companies. Before I continue with the video, I want to explain you guys, if you are new to the channel or don't know, I made the same video in Spanish and English. So if you see any video with the title in Spanish, you can go on my channel and look under videos, and you are gonna find there all the videos in the 2 different languages. Also consider to subscribe. Please leave a like if you like the video, share my videos with your friends, and leave a comment below in case you have any kind of question or comment. Okay, here we have the gear in hand. I want to explain you. At the top you can see an A and a R. That means advance or retard, and each line, as you can see on the screen, each line represents 2 degrees. In Let's Work, when you undo the bolts and move either to the right or the left by each line, it's 2 gears you are going to retard or advance. Mechanical, your time. Let's talk about these cam gears. Why you need cam gear? First reason is, in the event your engine have the block deck or the head shaved, that can produce a change on your timing event, because that might move either way, retard or advance, the phase of the cams. In the case you have dual overhead cam, and that is dictated depending on which side is your change or belt tensioner, because that side is when the belt or change travel is much smaller. And the second reason is for when you're going to get the car tuned, the tuner can fine tuning the timing event. And these adjustable cam gears are going to be used on my SR20 build. I am making a fully forged and heavily modified SR20det, and also I'm going to make a how-to video of how to degree your engine in the case is dual overhead cam. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get the notification. And remember, if you see the new video, the title in Spanish, skip that video and wait 1 or 2 more days to get the English version. Well guys, thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, get your hands dirty and make it happen. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We'll be right back.